Welcome! My name's Miss Tay and today we're going to be making world coffee filters. So we're going to explore some art materials, we're going to use some fine motor skills, and we're going to learn the cause and effect. So first let's get our materials. So I grabbed a tray. You could really use anything. You could use a towel, a placemat, something that you're not afraid that's going to get a little wet. So I also have some old coffee filters. If you don't have coffee filters, you can always use a paper towel, a wipe, whatever. And then I also have some markers. Because it's Earth Week, I decided to grab some blues and some greens, but you can use whatever color you would like. So I also have a squirt bottle of rinse water. If you don't have a squirt bottle, you can just use, a spoon, scoop it in and do it that way. So let's get started. So I'm gonna get one coffee filter. I'm gonna spread my coffee filter out. And I'm gonna try to make the world and what I think it looks like. So I'm gonna color some green for some land. Maybe you're using a different color and you want your land to be orange and you want your water to be green. So I did some over there. This is also a really great activity just to do some coloring and exploring cause and effect, not necessarily making a world. So I'm gonna make sure I get all over mine. All right, I think I wanna do the light green too. Maybe you just wanna make your coffee filter one color. Maybe you wanna use all the colors of the rainbow. It's all up to you. All right, so using those fine motor skills and pincher grip so that we can learn how to write later on. All right, I think I'm gonna do some blue. I want mine to be covered with all the spots covered. Maybe you just wanna do a little bit and see what happens. Really great thing about this activity is that you have the opportunity to do multiple. You just don't have to do one. So I'm gonna color, make sure all mine colored out. Maybe you're deciding you want to polka dot yours and see what the polka dots. I think I'm gonna do some polka dots over here. See what happens when you have the little polka dots. If I go fast, if I color on top of the color I've already done so that it's darker, or if I leave it lighter, just skimming over it. So I'm gonna do this side over here. Maybe you're doing long strokes with your marker. Maybe you're doing teeny tiny strokes. All right, so I picked another color. It's not a blue, but I want to see what happens when I put purple on here. So I'm gonna try that. But I want to see what'll happen if I color over the green with the purple. You can still see the green just a little bit, but wonder what happens when we use the water. So for the last part of mine, I think I'm gonna do some zigzags and see how the zigzags turn out on there. All right, move my markers. Might need some help using those muscles. You gotta squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Wow, look at that. So my colors are blending together. That one light green I use is kind of like yellow now. And my polka dots and my squiggly lines that I made. That is so cool. And then you have an earth. And when it dries, maybe you can put it on your window or on your fridge. So when you put it on your window, the light comes through it and kind of makes a sun catcher. There's all kinds of things you could do with it. So Today we worked on some cause and effect, what happens when you spray the water onto your color. And we also worked with fine motor skills and exploring art materials. See you at the next activity.